Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Monday, and we have a 3-layer cake. First layer is our routines. There are 5 of them. Monday morning, we do our morning routine. We do our kids' routines, also morning routines. Then we do our laundry and our paper routine. All those things happen in the morning. If you work these 2 things, paper and laundry, that'll happen when you come home. Okay, so morning routine, laundry routine, paper routine. Those are morning. Second thing we do is we stop because we have after dinner routine and before bed routine. Those come after dinner and before bed. So that's the routines. Next thing we're going to do is talk about our second layer, which is our zone. We are in zone 2, the kitchen. So we're going to do 4 things in the kitchen this week. We're either going to do 15 minutes for 4 days of decluttering, if it's still obviously cluttered. That means that you're going to put away, throw away, give away. You have containers for each of those things. 1 area of your kitchen for 15 minutes. 4 times, you can go through the whole kitchen, at least the visible clutter. If you are uncluttered now, and you've been doing your clutter checks to prevent recluttering, that's a habit buster, then you're going to do 4 deep clean things in your kitchen. So pick 4 things to do. Maybe you still have some hidden clutter, so that can be one of the deep clean. 10 minutes in the junk drawer, 10 minutes under the sink, 10 minutes in the cupboard with the glasses or the cups. You know, pick 4 things to do. If you've gotten past that and now we can actually clean, then pick 4 things to do. Wipe down your cabinets, clean your refrigerator. That's a 2-parter. That's a 2-day job. Clean the freezer out. Clean the top of the refrigerator. Clean the outside of the refrigerator. Straighten your pantry. Clean the pantry floor. Polish your table if you have a wooden table in your kitchen. Clean the kitchen. Clean the windowsill. Clean the Venetian blind. Well, they're not Venetian blinds. I'm born in 1953. That's what we called them when I was growing up. But clean the blinds. Clean the walls. The switch plate. Clean the baseboards, clean the light fixtures, clean the vent over the stove, clean the hood over the stove, clean the top of the stove, clean the oven, clean the drawer under the oven. There's a million little things you can do. There's plenty to pick from. Pick 4 10-minute jobs and do them this week. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so today we're going to do one of those. The others put in your planner so you can remember what to do and that you don't have to think. You just look and say, tomorrow I'm cleaning the bottom 2 shelves of the refrigerator. And it comes second. In the morning, right after you've done your routine, your laundry and your paper, you go straight into your zone. Then we're going to do our basic weekly plan. Today is Monday, so it's Weekly Home Blessing Hour. It's a 6-part job. It takes 1 hour maximum. You can do it in less time. 10 minutes or less cleaning your house in 6 different areas. So the first thing you're going to do is strip your bed, put your sheets in the washing machine. That's job 1. Later you're going to put the sheets in the dryer and put the sheets on the bed again. Or you can opt to fold the sheets and putting them away and putting new sheets on the bed. Your call. 10 minutes over the day for that. Next is, the second thing is, let's take care of the baby. I call them the 3 baby jobs. Emptying all the little garbage cans in your house and the kitchen garbage and get it out. 10 minutes or less. You know, it's a great idea is when you put the bag in, take another bag and put it underneath so that the next time you have a bag to put in or several bags underneath. If not, it's okay. Just go get fresh bags and put it in. 10 minutes or less for this little job. The second baby job is wiping the spots off the glass. If you have a microfiber cloth, you can get half of it wet, leave half of it dry. Use the wet part to wipe the spots, the dry part to buff it dry. You don't have to do the whole thing. That's for deep cleaning. This is not deep cleaning. This is blessing. Little spot on the glass that covers the medicine cabinet. Maybe you have a little glass tabletop. Maybe you have some sliding glass doors that the dog or the children have been touching. Maybe the window panes beside your front door, the side lights, maybe those need to be cleaned. Just quick through the house and get those done. Baby job. Third baby job is dusting. Yes, I know, dusting can be a huge endeavor, but it's not. Not when you're doing the weekly home blessing hour and you have a good tool like a feather duster, a quality premium ostrich feather duster that you can get for a great price at the FlyLady.net website under tools. But you can get them other places. You don't have to buy them there. I just really love my feather duster. So I'm not really trying to plug our feather dusters. I'm just telling you they're great tools and they make jobs light and quick. And that's what you want. You don't want to make more of a job than it has to be. So dust. Feather dust means that you don't move anything. You just dust around. If something's really tiny and it falls over, that's fine, put it back. But just dust around quickly. And then take the feather duster outside. It's on a stick with a feather head, right? So you put the stick between your hands and you do like this and the feathers go like this. And that's how you clean it. Well, that's how you get the dust out of it. And hang it in a well-ventilated, lit area. Don't put it in a dark closet and leave it alone for a long time or it will decay. That's what happens to it. But if you clean it out like that, and occasionally, honestly, once every 3 years for me, wash it with some baby shampoo, rinse it out real good, shake it, and blow it dry with a hairdryer. It's like brand new. Okay, next, but not today, we're just dusting. If you don't have a feather duster, that's perfectly okay. Use a Swiffer duster. They knock things over a lot worse. You can't kind of get into places that you can get in with a feather duster, but it's still fast. If you don't have a Swiffer duster, use a cloth. A cloth is more for deep cleaning. You have to move things and dust, but you can do it. Just don't do every little part of it. Don't move every little thing. Don't move your jewelry box off the dresser. Just dust as fast as you can because this is just blessing. We are not deep cleaning. Okay, that's dusting. That's your third baby job. Now you've done 4. You've done your bed, you've done the garbage cans, you've done the glass, and you've done the dusting. Now the 2 that you have left are the floors. And so you're going to vacuum or sweep or dust mop your floor's hard surfaces, and then you're going to mop the kitchen and the bathrooms. So that dust mopping rather, sweeping or vacuuming is 10 minutes for the whole house. Okay, so it's quick and it's not detailed. It's just enough. And then when your time's up, you go to your mopping. I start with the kitchen, end with the bathrooms, and then I wash the little pad in the washing machine. It's a removable pad off of my mop. That's what I do. And so put everything away when you're done, and then sit down and enjoy your nice, clean-looking house. It'll be so much nicer than it was when you started. And as you get rid of more and more clutter, you're going to have more and more beauty in your home. And you're going to be able to see when clutter creeps in. So don't forget those 3, always remember those 3 clutter checks a day. Every time you eat a meal, do a clutter check. Or if you're not eating your lunch at home, when you first come home, do the clutter check. So if you're working, do it in the morning after breakfast, when you first come home, and then right after dinner. That's a suggestion. You can do it whenever, but that's my suggestion. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.